Hey guys, so you found yourself smitten with a younger woman and want to know how to make her heart melt? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the little things you can do to show her you care and sweep her off her feet. Before we dive deeper, if you're looking to level up your dating game, click on the link below for a free 1-hour chat with our expert coaches. Now let's get started. 1. Leave thoughtful notes. Let's start with a classic, leaving thoughtful notes. This can be as simple as writing a brief, meaningful message and slipping it into her purse or sending a sweet text during her busy day. Imagine her surprise when she finds a note that says, "Thinking of you, hope your day is as amazing as you are." These small, unexpected gestures show her you're always thinking about her, even when you're not around. You can get creative with this. Hide a note in her favorite book, slip one into her lunch bag, or leave a sticky note on her bathroom mirror for her to find in the morning. The key is to be genuine and personal. It's not about grandiose statements, but simple, heartfelt messages that make her feel special. Over time, these notes can become cherished mementos that she looks forward to discovering, reinforcing your presence in her life in a sweet, unobtrusive way. 2. Remember her favorite things. Paying attention to her favorite things is a surefire way to win her heart. Whether it's her go-to coffee order, favorite snack, or even her preferred flowers, remembering these details and surprising her with them can make a big impact. For example, if she loves lavender lattes, bring her one on a random morning. If she mentioned loving a specific type of chocolate, make sure to get it for her next time you're at the store. This attentiveness shows that you listen and care about the little things that make her happy. You could also take note of her favorite music and create a playlist for her, or remember her favorite movie and plan a surprise movie night. It's about showing her you pay attention and want to make her smile. These small acts of kindness demonstrate your thoughtfulness and attentiveness, making her feel valued and appreciated in ways that resonate deeply. 3. Show vulnerability. Sharing your fears and insecurities can be incredibly powerful. It might seem counterintuitive, but showing vulnerability can strengthen your bond. When you open up about something personal, it signals trust and deepens your connection. For instance, you might share a story about a time you felt uncertain, or talk about your hopes and fears for the future. This honesty creates a safe space for her to do the same, fostering intimacy and mutual support. Being open about your vulnerabilities doesn't make you weak. It makes you relatable and human. It shows her that you trust her enough to let down your guard, which can make her feel closer to you and more connected. For example, if you're nervous about a new job opportunity, sharing those feelings and asking for her advice can bring you closer together. This level of openness and trust can be incredibly bonding and reassuring for both of you. 4. Offer unexpected kindness. Performing random acts of kindness can make a huge difference. Simple acts like bringing her favorite coffee, helping with a project, or offering a ride when she needs one can show your care and thoughtfulness. Imagine her delight when you show up with a bouquet just because, or help her out with something she's been struggling with. These moments show her that you're attentive and willing to go out of your way to make her life easier and more enjoyable. It's about showing that you're thinking of her and want to make her day better. These small, unexpected acts of kindness can make her feel cherished and loved, reinforcing the bond between you. For example, offering to take care of an errand she's been dreading or cooking her favorite meal after a long day can have a huge impact on how appreciated and cared for she feels. 5. Share your favorite books. Sharing your favorite books is a wonderful way to connect on a deeper level. Recommend and lend her books that have meant a lot to you, and don't forget to leave personal notes inside. These notes could highlight why a particular passage resonates with you or how the book relates to something in your life. It's a thoughtful way to share a piece of yourself and spark meaningful conversations. Plus, it shows that you want to share your world with her. Books can be a gateway to understanding each other's thoughts and feelings, creating a bridge between your experiences and hers. By sharing your favorite literature, you're inviting her into your inner world, which can be incredibly intimate and bonding. Imagine her surprise and delight as she discovers your handwritten notes tucked within the pages, offering insight into your thoughts and emotions. This shared experience can lead to deeper discussions and a more profound connection between you. 6. Compliment her intellect. Recognizing and appreciating her intelligence and insights can be incredibly flattering. Compliment her on her knowledge, creativity, or the way she thinks. For example, if she shares an interesting idea, you might say, "I love how you think about things. You always have such unique perspectives." These compliments show that you value her mind as much as her appearance, which can be deeply meaningful and validating. It's about recognizing her as a whole person, not just for her looks, but for her brains and personality. This kind of appreciation can boost her confidence and make her feel truly seen and valued for who she is. Compliment her on specific achievements, like a project she's completed or an insightful comment she made. This shows that you're paying attention to her accomplishments and genuinely admire her intellect, fostering a deeper connection and mutual respect. Appreciating the insights in today's video? Imagine how much more you could achieve with personalized guidance from a dedicated dating coach. Our free 60-minute strategy call is a game changer for anyone serious about improving their dating skills. Click the link in the pinned comment to book your session and start dating with renewed confidence and success. 7. Be playful and spontaneous. Suggesting impromptu adventures or fun activities can add excitement to your relationship. Whether it's a spontaneous road trip, a surprise picnic, or a last-minute concert, these playful and spontaneous gestures keep things fresh and exciting. Imagine calling her up and saying, "Pack a bag, we're going on an adventure." It's all about creating memorable experiences together and showing that you're fun and adventurous. These spontaneous moments can bring joy and laughter into your relationship, making her look forward to the time spent with you. It's about breaking the routine and adding a spark of excitement that can strengthen your bond. For instance, surprising her with tickets to an event she's been wanting to attend or planning a weekend getaway can create lasting memories and show her that you're willing to go the extra mile to make your time together special and unforgettable. 8. Show interest in her dreams. Taking an interest in her long-term goals and aspirations can make her feel incredibly supported. Ask about her dreams and encourage her to pursue them. You might say, "What are your biggest dreams?" And then follow up with, "I believe in you, and I know you can achieve anything you set your mind to." This support shows that you're invested in her future and want to see her succeed, which can be incredibly motivating and heartwarming. It's about being her cheerleader and providing the encouragement she needs to chase her dreams. This kind of support can make her feel valued and loved, knowing that you care about her ambitions and future. Offer practical help, like brainstorming ideas or helping her plan steps to achieve her goals. Your genuine interest and encouragement can make a huge difference in her confidence and determination to pursue her aspirations. 9. Support her in public. Subtly supporting her in social settings can make a big impression. This could be defending her opinions in a discussion, helping her feel comfortable in a new group, or simply being by her side. For instance, if she's feeling out of place at a party, you could engage her in a conversation that highlights her strengths or interests. This support shows that you have her back and are there to ensure she feels valued and respected in any situation. It's about making her feel confident and secure, knowing that you're there to support her. These small acts of public support can strengthen your bond and make her feel cherished. For example, if she's expressing an idea in a group and someone interrupts, gently steer the conversation back to her to let her finish. This shows you respect her and value what she has to say, making her feel supported and appreciated. 10. Celebrate her successes. Acknowledge and celebrate her achievements, no matter how small. Whether she got a promotion, finished a project, or even just had a great day, show your enthusiasm and pride. You might take her out for dinner to celebrate or surprise her with a congratulatory gift. It's about showing that her successes matter to you and that you're her biggest cheerleader. This recognition can boost her confidence and show her that you're genuinely happy for her accomplishments. Celebrating her successes together can create joyful memories and deepen your connection, making her feel appreciated and valued. Plan a special surprise, like a mini celebration with her favorite treats, or a heartfelt note recognizing her hard work. These gestures demonstrate your genuine happiness for her achievements and reinforce the bond between you, making her feel supported and cherished. 11. Send thoughtful gifts. Giving her small, meaningful gifts that show you've been thinking about her can be very touching. These don't have to be expensive. Thoughtful trinkets, a book she mentioned wanting to read, or even a handmade card can make her day. The key is to show that you've put thought into what she would love. It could be as simple as bringing her favorite snack when you visit, or sending her a playlist of songs that remind you of her. These gifts show that you're paying attention and care about making her happy. Thoughtful gifts can make her feel cherished and appreciated, reinforcing the connection you share. For instance, if she mentioned a favorite author, finding a signed copy of one of their books can be incredibly meaningful. These gestures, no matter how small, show that you're attentive and value the things that bring her joy, making her feel loved and special. So what's next for you? Discover how to make her obsess over you, or learn what questions will impress her. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.